Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the recipe of chingri. For that, we'll marinate the prawns with salt and turmeric powder. Now heat some oil in a pan. Add the marinated prawns. I'm using mustard oil, which Bengalis does use. Now leave the prawns until become reds. Now in the same oil, I am putting here some bay leaves, dry red chili, and whole cumin. Add some onions, some sliced onions. I am adding some green chilies. Now the bitter gourd. Some salt and turmeric again. Now we'll use water. Water, not quite a lot. Now we'll close the lid after some time. When this becomes soft and cooked well, we'll use coriander powder a little bit more. Now I'm putting garam masala. Now coconut paste, which increase the taste of the food. Now time for prawns. We'll add all the prawns which we have fried separately. Now our one of the most Bengalis favorite dish, chingri, is ready.